Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Hello and welcome to this video solution of numeric. So here we are given a block of mass m, that is 5 kgs, is sent up a plane inclined at an angle of 37 degrees. So this is theta. Theta is 37 degrees, and there is this horizontal force F of 50 Newton acts on it. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the plane is zero point 0.3. Now here you have to calculate the magnitude and the direction of the block's acceleration, right? Now this is pretty simple. So what you can do is you can start by uh, resolving the forces on this block, right? So first you've got the weight mg acting downwards, right? And this weight will have two components, one along the incline, which is mg sine theta, and another perpendicular to it, which is mg cos theta, right? With this you will be also having the component of this force. One is along the incline, this is theta, right? So this is f cos theta, and perpendicular to it f sine theta, right? Here you have the normal reaction N, and since it is moving up, there will be friction acting opposite to that, right? So these are the forces that you will be having. Now first you have to calculate the frictional force, right? To calculate the frictional force, you will be having mu times the normal reaction, right? And here mu times the normal reaction will be um, mg sine theta, sorry, mg cos theta, this one, plus f sine theta, right? And on the other hand, you can write the net force ma, mass times acceleration, will be equal to f cos theta minus mg sin theta minus the frictional force, right? Now let's plug in all these values and to calculate how much we have. So this block is 5 kgs, 5 times the acceleration, the force F is 50 cos of 37 degrees, right? Minus the mass is 5 times of 9.8 sine of 37 degrees minus the frictional force is mu, which is zero point 0.3 times mg is 5 times of 9.8 cos of 37 degrees plus f is 50 sine of 37 degrees, right? So let's see how much we have got for a. This is minus 2.1 meters per second square. And now since this is negative, it is moving down the incline, right? This negative sign shows that it's moving down the incline. Now here it's given that the block's initial speed is u, which is 4 meters per second. How far up the plane does the block go? Now it is moving down, na? Or maybe if the initial speed is 4 meters per second up the incline, so you can simply calculate like v square equal to u square plus 2as, right? So v will be 0, u is 4 squared minus 2 times the acceleration is 2.1, and s is the maximum distance it will travel up the incline. So this is 16 over 2 divided by 2.1, 3.33 meters is the distance it will cover up the incline. Now you have to tell, when it reaches the highest point, does it remain at rest or slides back down? So obviously it will slide back down, as the net acceleration is downwards, right? I hope this is clear to you, and have a very good rest of the day. Thank you.